Hey friends, not a whole lot of time for crafting, so using the creativity in the kitchen here lately. We still love using our SteelMade USA griddle. The whole thing covers the full stovetop, and I love it. So here we're whipping up a big batch of breakfast. I love those breakfast bowls, and there's a new Jimmy Dean one that is Salsa Verde, and so we're attempting our own version of the Salsa Verde breakfast bowl. So we've got some of the Salsa Verde and some pepper jack cheese, and I'll add some sausage and eggs to it, but just some onion and pepper and black beans and corn and some hash browns. So mix it all up. It didn't look very pretty, but it was tasty. Thanks for watching. There's a link below for more info about the griddle if you have any interest. Thanks.